Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 119 of AP MSET 2017 September second shift paper. Okay, in this question it is said that the speed of uniform solid sphere after rolling down from rest without slipping along a fixed inclined plane of vertical height h. Okay, so it means that a solid sphere is rolling from a fixed inclined plane with height h. Okay, so height of this plane is equals to h. Now we have to find the speed. Now we have to find the speed of this sphere rolling from this fixed inclined plane. Hope question is clear. Now we know that for solid sphere, that is moment of inertia I is given by 2 upon 5 m r square. Okay, so this is a moment of inertia for sphere. Now we know that from work energy theorem, mgh is equals to half times of I omega square plus half m v square. Since it is pure rolling, v will be equals to r omega. Now if I substitute this into this expression, it will be mgh is equals to half times of, I am substituting the value of I also, that is into 2 by 5 m r square omega square plus half m v square. Now I am substituting the value of this r omega is equals to v. So here it will be becoming v square. So mgh will be equals to 1 by 2 times 2 by 5 into m v square plus half m v square. If I cancel out m both sides, the remaining term will be gh is equals to 2 upon 10 v square plus half v square. So if I cancel out this, the remaining will be 1 by 5. So if I take v square common in this both, so gh will be equals to v square times 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So it will be v square times 7 upon 10. So if I take this 7 upon 10 to the side and this square to LHS, then V will be equals to under root GH times 10 upon 7. So this is our answer. That is option number 1 is our right answer. Hope that is